This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your 3DS is up to date and has enough SD space. This avoids compatibility hiccups. Next, insert the cartridge or open the digital title from the home menu so the system recognizes the game. Once done, back up the SD card save data. This protects your progress before switching to the Virtual Console. Make sure to enable Street Pass and download any pending system data. These small steps prevent errors during the conversion process. You now run the conversion utility that packages the game for Virtual Console use. Choose the official transfer tool or a trusted VC installer, then select the title and designate the SD card as the install target. Pay attention to on-screen options. They determine whether save files migrate. Once you start, the system will convert files and write them to SD. Do not interrupt power or remove the card. If conversion seems slow, be patient. File integrity matters for stable gameplay. After conversion, you install the Virtual Console title and verify it shows on the home menu. Launch the game to confirm saves and controls transferred correctly. Test a few levels to be certain. If the icon is missing or the game crashes, first reinsert the SD card and reboot the console. If problems persist, reinstall the conversion tool and restore the SD backup you made earlier. One key troubleshooting tip: always keep a verified backup of the SD to recover corrupted transfers quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.